We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and expert-driven overview of the HOTOR Trunk Organizer for car and SUV. If you own this item, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The HOTOR Trunk Organizer stands out as a versatile and thoughtfully designed storage solution for vehicles, combining ample compartmentalized storage with a removable cooler bag. It is tailored for those who want to maintain a tidy, organized trunk while having the flexibility to keep groceries, tools, sports gear, and even snacks or drinks at the right temperature during travel. The organizer's extra-large storage capacity is one of its most frequently praised features. With 3 main compartments and 8 additional pockets, it offers up to 69 liters of main storage space, plus a 23-liter detachable cooler bag. This means users can efficiently store a wide variety of items, from groceries and emergency supplies to children's toys and sports equipment, without cluttering the trunk. The cooler bag is fully insulated, waterproof, and leak-proof, allowing it to keep food and drinks cool or warm for hours, making it ideal for picnics, road trips, and daily errands. Many users highlight the practicality of the cooler bag, noting its ability to be used separately or folded away when not needed. This flexibility is especially valued by families, frequent travelers, and anyone who appreciates the option to adapt storage to their needs. The organizer's construction is another area where it receives high marks. Made from durable Oxford cloth with reinforced stitching in high-wear areas, the HOTOR Trunk Organizer is built to withstand frequent use and heavy loads. The thickened base panel and sturdy handles contribute to its robust feel, and users often comment on its ability to remain in place during transit, preventing items from shifting or rolling around. This stability is further enhanced by adjustable straps that secure the organizer to the trunk or seat, ensuring it stays put even during sharp turns or sudden stops. The adjustable size feature is a key advantage for those with varying storage needs. The organizer can be configured to 4 different sizes using side Velcro strips, allowing it to expand to full size with 3 compartments or fold down for compact storage when not in use. This adaptability means it can be placed in the trunk, back seat, or even the front seat, depending on the user's requirements. It is suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from sedans to SUVs, and users appreciate how it can be tailored to fit different trunk layouts. Accessibility and organization are core strengths of the HOTOR Trunk Organizer. The 3 main compartments, 6 elastic mesh pockets, and 2 side pockets provide clear visibility and easy access to stored items. Users report that this design eliminates the frustration of rummaging through a disorganized trunk, making it easy to locate and retrieve items quickly. The organizer's layout is especially beneficial for busy parents, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who values a streamlined approach to vehicle storage. In terms of performance, the HOTOR Trunk Organizer consistently receives positive feedback for its capacity, durability, and ease of use. Users find it effective in containing groceries, preventing items from moving during transit, and keeping emergency supplies or everyday essentials neatly arranged. The removable cooler bag is often described as a game changer, particularly for families who need to keep drinks and snacks fresh during outings. The organizer's ability to fold flat when not in use is another practical feature that users appreciate, as it allows for quick and easy storage without taking up unnecessary space. Despite its many strengths, some users note a few areas for improvement. A common critique is that the organizer, while sturdy when stationary, can feel somewhat thin or lacking in rigidity when lifted or moved in and out of the car. This is particularly noticeable when the organizer is fully loaded, and some users suggest that additional internal reinforcement or a more rigid frame would enhance its portability. However, most users agree that this is a minor issue when the organizer is used primarily as a stationary trunk storage solution. The HOTOR Trunk Organizer's quality is frequently compared favorably to makeshift storage solutions like laundry baskets, with users noting its superior organization, sturdiness, and professional appearance. It is often described as a significant upgrade that brings order and efficiency to the vehicle, reducing clutter and making it easier to find and access items as needed. The product's popularity is reflected in its high customer ratings, with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars from hundreds of reviews, and its ranking as a bestseller in the trunk organizers category. Users from a variety of backgrounds, including parents, commuters, and outdoor enthusiasts, consistently recommend the HOTOR Trunk Organizer for its combination of storage capacity, durability, and thoughtful features. It is particularly well suited for those who need to transport a range of items in their vehicle and value the convenience of a removable cooler bag for keeping food and drinks at the desired temperature. The organizer's moisture-proof and adjustable design further enhance its appeal, making it suitable for use in different climates and for a wide range of activities. The HOTOR Trunk Organizer is easy to clean and maintain thanks to its polyester material and moisture-proof construction. Users appreciate that spills or dirt can be wiped away without difficulty, ensuring the organizer remains hygienic and presentable over time. The collapsible design also means that it can be stored away neatly when not in use, freeing up trunk space for larger items or other needs. In summary, the HOTOR Trunk Organizer for car and SUV is a highly effective and versatile storage solution that addresses the needs of modern vehicle owners. Its large capacity, removable cooler bag, durable construction, and adjustable size make it a standout choice for anyone seeking to maintain an organized and efficient trunk. While there is some room for improvement in terms of internal rigidity, the overall performance and user satisfaction are exceptionally high. If you are looking for a way to bring order to your vehicle, keep groceries and supplies secure, and enjoy the added benefit of a portable cooler, the HOTOR Trunk Organizer is a product worth considering. Remember to check the link in the description to learn more or make a purchase. And please leave a review in the comments if you have experience with this item to help others in their decision-making process.